Boom shakalaka, massive rally for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Today's video, we're going to be talking about why this is the last opportunity to get in at a good price. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including why right now is probably the last opportunity you have to buy the bottom. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us over on Twitter at @TheCryptoLove. Push that like button. Now today, for your ingredient index, 53, back into neutral. We've been in neutral for pretty much a week at this point, and it keeps on climbing higher. The overall market up about 7% today. Bitcoin alone up 8.6%. Right now at 22,784, Ethereum at 1652, BNB at 305, XRP 41 cents, Cardano 36 cents, Dogecoin 8 cents, and Solana $25. And if we take a look, Bitcoin just a few days ago, about a week ago, did something we were talking about in yesterday's video, that the last time this happened, Bitcoin went up 437% on average. If you want to know, you can check out yesterday's video. But that being said, after we made that video, price jumped up dramatically. And it's not just because we made the video and 3 people watched the videos, but it's actually because this little indicator going from down to up right here changes everything for Bitcoin. Now, despite that, still, some people are like, I don't really trust this. The markets are still going down. What's the Fed going to do? Well, it turns out that U.S. equities right here just witnessed the largest outflow since December of 2021. Investors pulled out big money just before the 2022 bear market, and they're doing it again. Do they know something that we don't know? Are we in for a repeat? Not only that, but we also see here the survey of professional forecasters U.S. recession probability. Everyone is calling for a recession. It has never been such a consensus. Remember how often the majority is on the right side? Neither do I. But the lower this indicator goes, the lower the selling pressure in the market. Extreme pessimism territory. Who's left to sell? Hardly anyone. Max pain to the upside could be happening. Because guess what? Most of these professionals right here, they're just a herd following the other herd of other professionals. So, that being said, Bitcoin right now is looking good. We have an ongoing reversal happening right now. Similar to the top here where we have breakout spring reintegration. Right now we have breakout spring reintegration, but to the upside with a price turnaround. We have the first time on the weekly super trend. It has turned from red to green. The higher the time frame, the more relevant the signal. Confirmed very, very soon. This could be absolutely amazing. We can see the second, the third, and the beginning of the fourth cycle right here. Also, we have the Chaikin money flow just moved into positive territory, indicating a flip from selling pressure to buying pressure. In the past cycles, when this happened, the bottom was already in. We can see each flip, the bottom was already in previously, likely signaling the bottom is already in. Just realizing this, the Beerbicator is giving the orange signal. We can see right here the M chart for the first time in 18 months. Haven't seen it in a long time. In 2015 and 2019, this started the bull market for Bitcoin. So signal after signal after signal. It's straight bull porn today. Just a lot of bullish signals for Bitcoin. Even comparing Bitcoin right now with the Kiju Sen and the Tenkan San, the Ichimoku clouds, comparing it to 2018, it's looking very, very similar. We have breaking above down here. We have similar cloud formations right here with the price breakthrough right there. Very, very similar to what we've seen previously. Now, does history repeat itself? No, but it does rhyme. So when we see a lot of similarities and when everything is looking good, it's likely that everything is probably good. Many indicators are showing similar behavior in the last 2 Bitcoin bottoms, 2015 and 2019. We can see breaking downtrends in the Chan Momentum Oscillator. We can see a nice run up in the stochastic, and we can also see kind of this V shape in the OBV. All 3 of these things happening right before likely bottoms, basically where we are right now. Indicators don't lie, but men do. So trust the indicators because they're looking good. And this guy here, Bob Lucas, I haven't heard from him in a while in regards to Bitcoin, but he was calling back at the bottom of the last cycle. He was calling this the bottom back then. He was one of the few people doing it. Once again, he just posted this chart just recently. He's saying Bitcoin forms a monthly time frame swing low, closing at levels or a higher ideal. Given the 4-year timing cycle, he could see this as month one, meaning this would be the beginning of the bull run, similar to buying Bitcoin roughly at $3,000 before it went up to $70,000. He does have a track record where he's been correct previously, and he's saying, hey, this could be month one right here. So how high could it go? What could we be looking at? Well, the root here says that suddenly seeing all-time highs for 2023 popping up on his feed, his assessment remains unchanged. While we could certainly overshoot or underperform due to recessionary problems, recovery towards fair value by next halving seems reasonable and in line with historic data. This is the historic data he's taking a look at. We can see fair value is here in the green in the middle, and we can see at the time of the halvings, Bitcoin roughly in fair value territory. Right now, fair value territory, if it doesn't go up much more, is right around $40,000. So we could see Bitcoin by $40,000 by the halving, which would be beginning of 2024. But you know what happens after the halving? Parabolic bull run. Price goes much, much higher. So we could be seeing that. You may want to load up now because it could be your last opportunity to buy at a discount. So that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, push that like button. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.